Tools used in computer system servicing. Computer system servicing is a course that focuses on computer software and hardware, including system configuration and file sharing. In computer system servicing, there are tools or equipment needed during repair or operation, including the Phillips screwdriver. Phillips screws tend to be lightweight and relatively small. The trick is to match your screwdriver to the type and size of screws you are using. Henry Frank Phillips was an American businessman from Portland, Oregon, who discovered Phillips screwdriver and was named after him. To give you a closer look, a Phillips screwdriver has a head with pointed edges in the shape of a cross, which fit neatly into the cross slot of a Phillips screwdriver. How to use Phillips screwdriver? First, be sure you're using the right size of screwdriver. Next, the tip should fit snugly into the screw head. If it's too small, it could mangle the head and make the screw impossible to drive. Last, never use slotted head drivers for Phillips head screws. Here's the importance of Phillips screwdriver. The following are some other tools in computer system servicing.